It's VI. The 6th.
Oh, King George the 6th, yeah. King George the 6th. 2 shillings. Fist bump. That is amazing. Look at that, Nathan. That is the coolest find of the week. Yes. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in this video I'm out with my son Nathan, one of the Mini-Jesters, and we're in Bassenthwaite Lake and we're just about to do some snorkelling, obviously, and we're going to see what treasures we can find, and along the way we'll be collecting any litter or rubbish we find on the lake bottom, and then we'll chuck that in the bin later on, doing our little bit to tidy up the lake. Okay, well, let's crack on and let's get underwater.
Dad, shoot!
Right, Nathan has just found this with the metal detector. 2 shillings, 1949, and on there we've got King George the 4th. says George on it. George.
Anyway, so
It says King George.
it's VI. The 6th.
Oh, King George the Sixth. Yeah, King George the Sixth. 2 shillings. Fist bump. That is amazing. Look at that, Nathan. That is the coolest find of the week. Yes. Bottom of fishing rod, fishing reel, piece of whatever that is, and another pair of goggles. These look good ones. Try these for size.
Right, do you find them?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah. They'll need spraying, but just try them, see what they're like.
I've got mud everywhere.
I know, it's really muddy here. Just try them on.
Yeah.
Go on, try them, see what they're like.
Yeah, they're good.
Are they good?
Yeah.
They look good. fishing line here. We get all swans go get tangled in, kids go get tangled in it. We've just been tangled in it. That's a lot of it. Hey! The biggest find of the week was definitely this kayak paddle, which looks like it's been down there for quite some years. That took some bringing up. Okay, well, we're coming to the end of our snorkelling video now in Bassenthwaite Lake in Cumbria. We've had a really good time, haven't we? We found loads of stuff. What we did find is we found a lot of rubbish, a lot of broken glass, tin cans, and what we've done is we've tidied all that up and collected it up, and we've just taken that to the bins, and we've just got shut of that. So hopefully this section of the lake is going to be a safer place for kids to paddle around and swim. So that's a good thing we've done there. But this is all the stuff we found that we think's quite cool. We'll go through it now. So all this we've found between us. Nathan found this really cool bottle. I do like my bottles. It's a really old one, and that'll be getting cleaned up and going on my shelf at home. You found this, didn't you? Really good flipper, kids flipper. Unfortunately, only one. Couldn't find the other one. We found a whole load of fishing tackle, lures, loads of them, loads of different ones. I mean, look at that one. That is a whopper, and it's quite realistic. But look at that hook there. Anybody could have stood on that and really injured themselves. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So about 10 fishing lures, lots of bottom feeders, loads of lead fishing weights there. Onto the obscure things, Horlicks tablets. I don't know if you're the age where you might remember those. I'm speaking to my dad, he's in his 80s and he remembers these. So that's obviously been down there a while. Golf balls, somebody's spectacles there, a few little odds and pieces. A little cake, don't know what that is. Football rubber, lead weights, we've done those. That looks like it might have been a fish bone, the actual jaw of a fish. And look at those teeth. We did see quite a lot of fish, a lot of perch, some this sort of size, really, really quite big. I found this silver plate fork, not real silver, unfortunately. These goggles, really good. Found 2 pairs of these, and I've looked up these on Amazon. £25 each, these, and we found 2 of those, so that was good. Some cheap swimming goggles, and the usual shades. We always find a pair of shades more often than not, so that's those. And now on to the coins. 2p, 4p, 5p, 6p, and 2 5s, so 16p in coins. But that's not the only coin we found, is it? Because this little fella here, he spent about 5 minutes with the metal detector, and within that time he found this. And what is that, Nathan?
1949, King George VI, 2 shillings.
2 shilling, a florin, yeah. He found that and he said, Dad, I think I found something really cool. And I just looked at it and I thought, I saw King George on there and I thought, yes, that does look pretty cool. So yeah, 1949, King George VI, 2 shilling piece, florin. That was the find of the week. So we're really pleased with that, aren't we? So that'll definitely be going on the display shelf at home. Pride of place. So that's pretty much it for the snorkeling video.
We've had a really good week. We've really enjoyed finding all this cool stuff, and we've done our little bit for cleaning up the environment to save the wildlife and make it a bit safer for people to enjoy their holidays. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, just click on the subscribe button here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.